Welcome to Extreme Tech. Now I'm showing you how to use Android in iball i701 through pendrive. First step is to downloading Phoenix OS. You can download using the link given below. But do not download ISO file. Download only the Phoenix OS.exe file installer. Go to the folder where you downloaded this file and double click on that file to open. It takes 1 minute to open installer. Click on make UDisk and select your pen drive letter, but in my case it is E, so I am selecting E. Now click on write box, but one error message appears. Sorry, antivirus file system UDisk is not supported. Because it is not supported NTFS file system, I am going to format my pen drive in FAT32 file system. Now format is completed. Go to the Phoenix installer again and try to install it on pen drive by selecting drive letter. Click on write box. It is now in progress. It takes 30 minutes to complete. It takes 30 minutes to complete the installation.
The writing does not delete the file in the UDisk. Please make sure the UDisk had at least 6 GB of free space. Phoenix OS installer 2.1.8. This is the latest version of the Phoenix OS.
Now it's all completed. It takes 6 GB space in my pen drive. I'm going to show you all the files written by installer. You can see there are 3 folders have been created by installer of Phoenix OS, that is EFI, ISO Linux and 4X. Now I'm going to restart my PC, but do not unplug your pen drive, keyboard and mouse. If you unplug this, then it cannot be booted. Now it is booting automatically to Phoenix OS in 5 seconds now. It is detecting Phoenix OS was found in pen drive as usual. Was booted first time, so it takes some time to initialize. It is the first screen of the Phoenix OS. Choose your language. I'm choosing English. Click next. Accept the agreement. Skip anyway and then write your username. I'm writing Extreme Tech and then click finish now. Enjoy your Phoenix OS. Now I'm going to show you how to enable touch in this OS. Go to the setting, on the native setting, and scroll down and click on about and click 6 times quickly on build number to become a developer. Now go to the developer option and click on show touch now. Touch is working but not calibrated yet. Now I'm showing you how hard it is to close gallery, but scroll is quite easy. This is a screen recording of Phoenix OS. You can see its UI or user interface. Thank you.
Starter browser is very good. It has three options. First is browse as a PC browser, second is a browser iPad, third is browse